Happy morning, friends. Thank you. Thank you for joining today's chakra healing meditation.
Happy morning, friends. Welcome to Chakra Healing Meditation. Before we start, let's pray for our Gurus. I request all of you to sit in a Sukhasana, a normal sitting posture, or if you are comfortable, you can sit in a half Padmasana or full Padmasana. So based on your comfort level, you can sit in either of the position, Sukhasana or half Sukhasana or full Sukhasana. Now, let's take your both hands to a Namaskara Mudra. Let's raise your hands on the top of your head and let's start praying for our Guru. Let's thank our Guru. Guru Brahma Guruvishnu Gurudevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let's bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our abdomen, exactly at the navel point. Let's thank our mother. Matrudevo Bhava. Let's raise our Namaskara Mudra in front of our mouth to thank our father. Pitrudevo Bhava. Let's raise our Namaskara Mudra in front of our forehead. Let's thank our teachers. Acharya Devo Bhava. Let's bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our heart and let's thank everyone else in this world. Atithi Devo Bhava. Raitu Devo Bhava. Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing pure air, pure water, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let's thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Asato mat sargamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's Chakra Healing Meditation. Chakras. The meaning of chakra is a wheel. It is a Sanskrit word. As we all know, our body is made up of bones, flesh, blood, and all the muscles. But our body, the soul, is filled with the eternity of energy, vital energy. This energy has been distributed into 7 different energy blocks. These energy blocks are situated in 7 different places. Those are nothing but chakras. Like how a white light from our living God sun distributes rainbow colors, similarly our eternity vital energy, eternity soul of vital energy has been distributed into 7 different chakras. These chakras are placed starting from the root of the backbone till the top of our head. So, what we are going to do is, we are going to unblock each and every chakra through various activities such as body postures, body gestures, meditation, breathing exercise, visualization technique, yoga mudras, chanting of Bija mantras, and chanting the positive affirmations to heal ourselves and to unblock the energy of each and every chakra. Let's get into our chakra healing meditation. So, let us focus our attention to a root of backbone, which is nothing but the base of our body. Here we have a root chakra, which is nothing but Mooladhara chakra. This is the first chakra out of the 7 chakras. This chakra resembles the color red. I request all of you to close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Visualize the color of red in front of you. Visualize everything which is in red color. You can visualize anything or everything which is in red color. We are going to do a root chakra healing now. This root chakra is actually located at the base of the spine. It is associated with energy, survival, stability, comfort, and safety. And each and every chakra is associated with an element, and this root chakra is associated with earth. Yes. While we are into the Mooladhara chakra or root chakra, we should be in a Jnana Mudra. So Jnana Mudra is such as where you connect both thumb and index finger, just touch together and place it on your both palms. Make your arms straight, hands on the knees. And the positive healing affirmations of this Mooladhara chakra goes like this. Please chant these affirmations after me. I love being in my body. I am centered and grounded. I am safe. I trust more and I fear less. I am physical being and value my physical body. The Bija mantra of the root chakra is Lam. Let's chant the Bija mantra of Lam for 7 times to unblock the energy of root chakra. Lam, 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 Lam. Let us focus our attention to our next chakra, which is sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra, which is located in the lower abdomen. It is associated with sensuality, sexuality, pleasure, sociability, and emotions. The element for this sacral chakra is water. When you are in sacral chakra, visualize the color of orange. Visualize everything and anything which is in the color of orange. Visualize them. When you are in sacral chakra, place your hands on your lap with your palms facing upwards, right palm resting on the left. And let us chant the positive healing affirmations. Please chant after me. I am passionate about my life. I am in touch with my feelings and emotions. I am sensual and creative being. I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. I am joyful. I am spontaneous. I am creative. The Bija mantra for sacral chakra is Vam. Let's chant the Bija mantra of sacral chakra for the 7 times to unblock the energy from the Swadhisthana chakra. Vam. 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 Now, slowly move our attention to our next chakra, solar plexus chakra, which is also known as Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra, which is located in the navel area. It is associated with strength, personality, power, determination, and self-esteem. The element associated with Manipura chakra is fire. When you are in Manipura chakra, place hands between the heart and your stomach. Connect both hands in front of your heart and let us chant these positive healing affirmations. I feel my own power. My potential is unlimited. My boundaries are respected and upheld. I act with courage and strength. I am confident in all that I do. The Bija mantra for Manipura chakra is Ram. Let us chant the Bija mantra Ram for 7 times to unblock the energy of willpower from your body. Ram, 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 Ram. Now, slowly move our attention to our next chakra, which is heart chakra or Anahata chakra. Heart chakra or Anahata chakra is located in the middle of the chest. It is associated with love, acceptance, compassion, and sincerity. The element associated with heart chakra or Anahata chakra is air. When you are in heart chakra, keep your Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra is nothing but touching your index finger and thumb in front of the heart. Keep it there and let's chant this positive healing affirmations along with me. I love myself unconditionally. I have the strength to follow my heart. I am fulfilling my heart's desire. I am open to giving and receiving love. I am grateful for all my blessings. The Bija mantra of heart chakra is Yam. Let us chant the Bija mantra Yam for the 7 times to unblock the energy of love from your heart chakra or Anahata chakra. By visualizing the color of green, visualize everything and anything which is in the color of green. Let's chant the Bija mantra. Yam. 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 Now slowly move our attention to our next chakra, which is nothing but throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra. Throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is located in the throat area. It is associated with communication, expression, creativity, and inspiration. The element associated with throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is sound. Visualize the color of blue. Visualize the color of blue, which is representing the throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra. Visualize everything and anything which is in the blue color. Let's chant these positive healing affirmations to heal ourselves. I hear and speak the truth. I am open and honest in my communication. I am expressing myself with clear intent. I live an authentic life. What I have to say is valuable to others. When you are in throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra, keep your hands by stomach, fingers interface and thumb tips touching. The Bija mantra for the throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is Hum. Let's chant the Bija mantra Hum to unblock the energy of expression, powerful communication. The complete attention and focus. Hum. 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 Now, slowly move our attention to our next chakra, which is nothing but third eye chakra. Third eye chakra is also known as Ajna chakra. Ajna chakra is located in the middle of the forehead. It is associated with intuition, lucidity, meditation, and trust. The element associated with third eye chakra or Ajna chakra is light. When you are in Ajna chakra, please keep your hands in front of the lower part of your bust. Middle fingers stand up, tips touching. Other fingers bent at first joint as shown. Let us chant this positive healing affirmations after me. I am insightful and intuitive. I always honor and follow my intuition. I am conscious creator of my own reality. I am connected to my higher self. All that I need is within me. The Bija mantra for Ajna chakra or third eye chakra is Sham. Let us chant the Bija mantra of Ajna chakra Sham to unblock the energy of wisdom from our body with a complete attention and focus. Sham. 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 Now, let us focus our attention to the final and the last chakra, Crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra, which is located at the top of the head. It is associated with knowledge, consciousness, fulfillment, and spirituality. The element associated with Crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra is our thought. When you are unblocking the Crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra, visualize the color of violet. Visualize everything and anything which represents the color of violet. When you are in Sahasrara chakra, please keep your hands in front of your stomach, fingers interlaced, cross your fingers and open only your little fingers pointing towards up. Let us chant these positive healing affirmations. I am divine. I am one with all that is. I am infinite and boundless. I see the divine light in everyone. I listen to the wisdom of universe. The Bija mantra of Kron Chakra or Sahasrara Chakra is Oh. Let us unblock the energy of spiritual connection from the Sahasrara Chakra or Kron Chakra by chanting the Bija mantra Om for 7 times with the complete attention and focus. Now, let us chant the Bija mantras of all the 7 chakras to unblock the energy of all these 7 chakras to bring out the eternal energy of our soul, to bring the powerful aura around us. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for joining today's chakra healing meditation. It's just a beginner course of chakra healing, and we are just introducing you the basics of chakras and how to heal these chakras through positive affirmations using various techniques. And if you want to get into an advanced level, Kundalini Yoga is the best method where you can do with the help of experts in this field. And if you want to do unblock the energy through exercises, then Surya Namaskar is one of the best exercise to practice and unblock the energy. And Surya Namaskar is one of the best exercise to heal ourselves and bring the mental health. Let's on this resilience mantra. Keep your right palm on your heart and chant this after me. I will not give in to sadness.
Not giving.
I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel.
Will not let my
I
thoughts
will
control.
never ever give up.
Will never ever
I will stay positive and work on a solution.
I will stay positive
Life
and
is
work on
great with all the positive and negative things in it.
it.
I allow myself to be happy no matter what.
No matter
I
what.
am enough and I am
I am
complete. Once again, thank you, friends. Since we've been projected to the mobile screen for more than 20 minutes, let's do 20-20 principle to relax our eyes. So sit straight, focus anything which is 20 feet or 20 meters away. Start blinking your eyes as fast as you can. While blinking, take closely and open widely. On count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next change. Thank you all. Thank you for joining Chakra Healing Meditation. Let's pray for the happiness in this world. Let's come to a Namaskara Mudra. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu Samast Mangalani Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for listening to me and thank you for practicing Chakra Healing Meditation.
Thank you, friends. So this is actually a Kundalini yoga. So apart from the 6 chakras, they help us to heal all the energy from the. This is a Surya Namaskara, and where each and every step related to the chakras and what are the benefits of doing those asanas. And we have various yogas pertaining to the different chakras. So you can practice these yogasanas after this exercise, because doing a meditation and doing yogasanas definitely help you to heal the energy. And finally, make sure you complete with the yoga nidra. Yoga nidra is one of the best exercise to relax your body after a tiredful workouts. Hope you had a great session. So if you have any doubts, feedback, you can. How do you feel? Have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll wind up. Yeah. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you,
Yes.
Nancy. Yeah.